Hey, who's gonna drive this car, man? Come on, come on. You drive. Come on. Let's go. Right. Hi everyone, I'm Navin again. Welcome back to our channel, The Honda Guys. We are all about Hondas. Have you guys ever heard about the Honda Sensing and how the system actually works? Then keep on watching and subscribe. Honda Sensing was introduced in Malaysia back in 2017 with the top variant of Honda CR-V. It featured all the components in Honda Sensing except the auto high beam. Honda Sensing is actually a Honda's version of advanced driver assistance system which uses electronic technology, as the name suggests, to assist driver using its radar, sensor or monocular camera located on the windscreen. For your information, there is only a certain Honda models in Malaysia that is equipped with Honda Sensing, such as the Honda City, Civic, CR-V, Accord, and a few years back on the Odyssey. And do note that only the top of the range models are equipped with Honda Sensing. For Honda Odyssey, only 6 features is available, which doesn't include the auto high beam and low speed follow, while the Honda City RS comes with 7 of it, which excludes the low speed follow. And today we are very lucky as we have the new Honda CR-V and HR-V for a quick Honda Sensing demo. Thank you to our beloved sponsor, Honda Baling Motor. Okay, now let's hop in the car. Hey, who's gonna drive this car, man? Come on. You drive. Come on. Let's go. Right. The first component for Honda Sensing is the lane departure warning. As mentioned in our previous video, the system will alert you if you change lane without using your turn signal. I mentioned in the past video also, please always use your turn signal when you want to change lane. Have some courtesy to the other road user. Sometimes when you feel tired or busy fiddling with your phone, you didn't notice that the steering is going into other lane, and this system will sound an alarm to make sure you are alert to your surroundings. The component number 2 is the road departure mitigation system, which basically works the same as the lane departure warning, but this time it will vibrate and gently correct the steering wheel, and at the same time will apply the brakes if you are too close to the road barrier. Next is the lane keep assist system. This system will keep you in the center of the lane and also guide the steering wheel while you are driving. It works above 60 km per hour, and you know it is turned on when the indication is green on the meter cluster. Adaptive cruise control is actually to help you to relax a bit on a long journey on the highway, as you don't need to set your foot on the accelerator pedal or the brake pedal. Yes, you can also use it on the federal road, but we at the Honda Guys find it is more suitable to use it on a highway because it is much more safer to do so. First, set your desired speed, let's say 100 km per hour, and the system will automatically accelerate and maintain at 100 km per hour if the road is empty. And if there is a car in front of you, the system will decelerate and maintain the speed with the car ahead. Okay, the next component is the front collision warning, which will alert you with the smart audio and visual alert if the system detects there is a risk of collision. And if there is no input from the driver to slow down the vehicle, the collision mitigation braking system will automatically apply the brakes to slow down or to stop the car completely. As the name suggests, the auto high beam works when it detects lights from the oncoming traffic. It will switch to low beam automatically, and when there is no light source detected from the oncoming traffic and the area is dark, the system will switch back on to high beam. And lastly is the low speed follow. This component is only available on 3 models at the moment: the Civic, the Accord, and as what we have here now is the CRV. This feature works together with the adaptive cruise control, and it will automatically slows down or completely stop the car if the car ahead do so. This really helps in start-stop driving situation, such as you are in traffic light or you are in the traffic jam. When the low speed follow applies the brake, the vehicle brake lights will illuminate too. There you go, all 8 features inside the Honda Sensing Safety Suite. And please remember that this system is actually to complement you as the main driver in the car, not to take over the drive. Please be vigilant and be alert on your surroundings. And as always, if you'd like to get a Honda, please contact me at this number below. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button as well. Don't worry, everything is free. I'm Navin and our HRV driver Ik signing off for this video. The Honda guys, we are all about Hondas. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye.